Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up automatic sign-in on Windows 11 so you don't have to type your password or PIN every single time your computer starts up. Before we begin, keep in mind that this feature is best for personal computers that you trust. If you share your PC with others, or if it's a laptop that you carry around, automatic sign-in is not recommended because anyone can access your files. Alright, let's get started. First, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard or search for Run in the search box and click on the result. This will open the Run box. Type in this command and hit OK. This opens the User Accounts window. Here, you'll see a list of users on this PC. In earlier Windows 11 versions, there was an unchecked box that said, users must enter a username and password to use this computer. On Windows 11 24H2, Microsoft removed the old checkbox, so you need to run a registry command first to bring it back. Copy the command from the video description and paste in the command prompt window, then press Enter. This disables passwordless sign-in enforcement and brings back the old option. Now open the User Accounts window again, and now you'll see the option, Users must enter a username and password to use this computer. Uncheck that box, then click Apply. Enter your Windows account password when prompted, then click OK. And that's it. You've enabled automatic sign-in on Windows 11, even on the 24H2 update. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more Windows tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.